Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Meta AI on Instagram. First of all, open Instagram and tap on this search bar. Here you can see, click on this Instagram search bar. After that here you can see this is Meta AI top. You can see say anything with Meta AI. Now here you need to add or you need to type any prompt. For example, I type here a girl, a beautiful girl flying in air. For example, a beautiful girl flying in air. Click on send, and here you can see this is generating a photo for my prompt. Here you can see this is generated a photo. In this way you can say any question with Meta, you can say any answer with Meta. In this way you can easily use the Meta AI on your Android and your iPhone. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. uh, in this way you can use Meta AI for free.